How to set up, add money and add funds to your PayPal account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guys. So in today's video I'll show you how you can set up your PayPal's add money and add funds to your PayPal account from your bank. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now to add funds, first of all you have to set up a PayPal balance account, because at the very top you can see PayPal balance. If you've not set it up, then you can watch our other video where we have a detailed video on how you can set up PayPal balance. Now after you've done that, you want to actually first make sure to link your bank account. So to do that, you just want to come to the wallet icon from the bottom right hand side of the screen. Once you come to the wallet icon here, again you want to make sure you're under wallet tab. Here you'll find the option called add banks and cards. So you want to make sure that you've added your bank or your card in order to set up a payment method. Now once you've done that, you can simply come back and then you want to again tap on where it says PayPal balance, as you can clearly see at the very top, right? So just tap on the clear PayPal balance or the transfer option, and then you'll see this type of interface where you have to tap on the button that says add money from the bottom left of the screen, as you could see. So just tap on add money. After you do that, select from where you want to add. So of course in this case it's actually a bank, so we're just going to go ahead and then select the bank option. Once you select your bank, make sure to enter the amount of dollars that you actually want to transfer, and then once you've done that, just tap on continue and then confirm it. Make sure all of your details are correct. Tap on the add money button, and then you have successfully added funds to your PayPal account. That's all it takes to add money or set up the add funds to your PayPal account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.